Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through New Kingston. New Kingston is the business district of Jamaica. So we're currently on Trafalgar Road and we're turning right onto Knutsford Boulevard. Knutsford Boulevard is the heart of New Kingston. It's the main road and all the major banks and hotels are on this road. To the left is NCB, to the right is BNS. That tall Caramed building is a call center, and to the left is CIBC First Caribbean. Straight ahead, that Sagicor Sigma building is a Sagicor building, and on the left is the Victoria Mutual building. That tall building to the right is the Pan Caribbean building. So we're on Knutsford Boulevard. Straight ahead is KFC, and to the left we're passing Starbucks. There's Pizza Hut, Island Grill, Burger King. This is one of the busiest places during the week, as we said, it's a financial center. We're going to turn right onto Trinidad Terrace. The tallest building in Jamaica, which is the Pegasus, is actually in New Kingston. We're going to drive by there in a few minutes. Okay, so we're now on Trinidad Terrace. This used to be a one-way, but it was recently changed to a two-way traffic. On the right is the Digicel building. That used to be the head office before they moved to downtown Kingston. Straight ahead is the New Kingston Shopping Center. I think it's renamed the New Kingston Business Center now. Okay, we just turned on to Grenada Crescent and we're going to drive through the Knutsford Boulevard depot. This is the Kingston depot for the Knutsford Boulevard buses. This used to be the New Kingston cinema. They used to have two huge drive-in cinemas here, but it's just an empty lot now. Okay, so on the left is the Knutsford Boulevard bus depot. I guess a bus is due to come in, that's why there are so many cars waiting to collect the people. They have like a cafe where you can get food while you wait on the bus. Okay, that tall building straight ahead is the Sagicor head office. Oh, we can actually see the Pegasus now. The building on the right with the blue and white, that's the Pegasus. Beside it is the Courtley, and beside that one, which is straight ahead of us, is the Wyndham Hotel. Although I don't think it's operating as the Wyndham anymore. I think the persons who own the court, they bought out the Wyndham and they're converting it into one hotel. And then to the left of the screen, that's the Digicel building, and below it is our JMB branch. But looking at the angle we're looking, the Pegasus doesn't really look like the tallest building. Wyndham looked taller than it, but the Pegasus is the tallest building in Jamaica so far. But there is a new building that just got approval, and that's going to be 26 stories high. So when completed, that will be the tallest building in Jamaica. Okay, so we're back on Grenada Crescent heading back towards Knutsford Boulevard. And on the right, that's the Sagicor head office. The road we just passed on the left is Dumfries Avenue. On the left is the parking lot, and on the right is the parking lot for the Sagicor building. This building on the right is the Caramet building, which is our call center, or has call center offices in it. Straight ahead is the Island Life building. At the bottom you have the Island Life Mall. At the top of that building you have penthouses. So we're at the intersection of Grenada Crescent and Knutsford Boulevard. If we turn left or right, we go on to Knutsford, but we're going to keep straight and go across and keep on Grenada Crescent. The place isn't very busy today because it's a Sunday, but during the week, Monday to Friday, this is a very busy place. Parking is always a problem, but the government has, or KSAC has, parking lots where you can pay to park. The one on the right is one of those parking lots. Not sure what it is per hour, per day now. If anybody knows, they can leave it in the comment section. The roads in New Kingston are named after the Caribbean countries. On the left is the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce. Well, these ministry names change all the time. Okay, so we are currently on St. Lucia Avenue and we're turning right onto Barbados Avenue. As we said, named after Caribbean countries. Grenada Crescent after Grenada. There's a Trinidad Terrace, Tobago Terrace, but we're on Barbados Avenue. We just passed the Grace Kennedy office. It's more of a Western Union at that location. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe.